little explorers. Are you ready for an ABC adventure? Let's learn the alphabet with fun songs and exciting animations.
Wow!
Come on, sing and dance with me.
Sing along with me. QRST, clap along with me. UVW, we are learning too. XYZ, we are super ready.
Great job, friends. Now, let's meet some fun letters and their amazing friends. A is for apple, red, juicy, and sweet. B is for balloon, up, up, and away. C is for cat, such a cute kitty. D is for dog, a playful pup. E is for elephant, big, strong, and loves peanuts. F is for fish, splish, splash, swimming fast. G is for giraffe, tall neck, reaching for the leaves. H is for hat, fancy, funny, or warm and cozy. I is for ice cream, cold, creamy, and oh so yummy. J is for jellyfish, wiggly, wobbly, floating in the sea. K is for kangaroo, jumping so high. L is for lion, the king of the jungle. M is for monkey, swinging, climbing, and super silly. N is for nest, cozy home for little birds. O is for octopus, 8 arms for lots of hugs. P is for penguin, waddle, slide, and dive into the water. Q is for queen, wearing a crown and ruling the land. R is for rainbow, so many colors after the rain. S is for sun, shiny, bright, and warming the day. T is for turtle, slow and steady, always winning. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry in the rain. V is for violin, playing beautiful music. W is for whale, a giant splasher in the ocean. X is for xylophone, ding, dong, making music. Y is for yo-yo, up, down, spin it around. Z is for zebra, black and white, what a cool sight. You're doing great. Now, let's zoom through the alphabet super fast.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, come and play with me. E, F, G, it's as fun as can be. H, I, J, K, jump and shout hooray! L, M, N, O, P, sing along with me. QRST, clap along with me. UVW, we are learning too. XYZ, we are super ready.
You learned the alphabet. Give yourself a big high five. Now you can read, write, and play with letters.
Numbers are fun, let's count today. Find the animals along the way. Jump and clap, swing and run. Counting's fun for everyone. One elephant, one mighty elephant, big and strong. lifts its trunk and sings a song. Make an elephant stomp, stomp. Hear that sound? One big stomp, shake the ground.
1 feet like an elephant.
2 pandas, 2 fluffy pandas roll around, climbing trees up and down. Munch, 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 crunchy 2. 1, 2, count with you. 3 frogs, 3 hoppy frogs go jump, 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 jump. On lily pads they love to bump. Ribbit, ribbit, can you see? 1, 2, 3, jump with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting's fun, come feel alive. Jump and move, sing along. Counting makes us big and strong. 4 parrots, 4 parrots flying way up high. Flap your wings and touch the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, hooray! Colorful birds fly away. 5 monkeys, 5 swinging monkeys laugh and play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hooray! Swing your arms, have some fun. Monkey see, monkey done. Swing on. 6 fish, 6 little fish go swish, 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 swish. Swimming fast, make a wish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wiggle your hands, do the fish flicks. Woo! 7 penguins, 7 penguins waddle side to side, marching through the snow with pride. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Penguins march beneath the heavens. 8 zebras, 8 zebras running fast and free. Black and white for all to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Watch them gallop, don't be late. 9 bees, 9 buzzing bees go zip, zip, zoom, flying round the flowers bloom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Making honey sweet and fine. 10 starfish, 10 starfish sparkle in the sand, lying still on golden land. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch like a star, count again. Great. Counting up, counting down, we found animals all around. Jump and clap, spin and play, we learned our numbers all the way.
Great job, little explorers. You counted all the animals. Give yourself a big clap. Do you want to count again? Like this video, subscribe, and come back for more fun. See you next time.